Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Body Slam Media Productions on DailyMotion.com. I am your host, Kobe Rutland, and this is the main event of the evening as we are at CWA Championship Wrestling, a night to remember here in Ripley, Mississippi at the Tippah County Coliseum / barn. As I am here with my colleague, Mr. D-Rock, the CEO of WrestlingNewsCenter.com, as we have the certified nature boy, Paul Lee, as Paul Lee is indeed certified via Ric Flair, as Ric Flair actually officialized Paul Lee once, and Ric Flair even gave Paul Lee a championship title belt.
Yeah.
As the nature boy, or I guess the new nature boy, Paul Lee, is teaming with Jesse Bell Smothers' boyfriend, may I say, Shane Andrews. And they are taking on none other than OWO Heavyweight Champion Danny Dollar and Buff the Stuff / Handsome Stranger Bagwell. As you can spot Buff the Stuff on your local. What? That's the referee Turtle.
Huge pop from the Ripley crowd.
It looks like Turtle is turtly enough.
Yes. Uh-oh.
It's official. He is indeed turtly enough.
Oh.
Wow. Having a shove fest.
Getting pushed around. Whoa. Turtle.
Wow.
Down to Nature Boy.
Look at Turtle.
Well, that didn't go according to plan for the Nature Boy.
It's funny. They call him Turtle, yet he's a lot faster than Earl Hebner.
And Jerry Calhoun.
An equivalent to Dave Miller. Super Dave Miller. Super Dave. The Luchador Super Dave. Well, as Shane Andrews escapes the wrist lock, as Buff Bagwell tags in OWO Heavyweight Champion Danny Dollar. Shane Andrews and Danny Dollar both looking to make a name for themselves tonight, as they are both fresh faces in professional wrestling compared to Paul Lee and Buff Bagwell. As you can go back and watch many matches from Danny Dollar and Buff Bagwell, as Danny Dollar teamed up with Alan Steele not long ago to take on Brian Christopher and Buff Bagwell. As you can check that out on Body Slam Media Productions. Also, you can check out Danny Dollar versus Samoan Raha here in Body Slam Media Productions. Go to the playlist section, and we have hundreds and hundreds of talents we work with. And we have matches on, as we are the WWE Network of Independent Wrestling.
That's so catchy. Great slogan.
As the WrestlingNewsCenter.com slogan is the most relevant website ever. And there's a period in between each word. The most relevant website ever. And not just wrestling, all the internet.
Yeah.
Wait.
Uh-oh.
It looks like Shane may be an abusive boyfriend.
Oh, no.
But they do say
Uh-oh.
all daughters get men like their daddy, so.
Uh-oh. How you doing?
How you doing? Does Danny Dollar think Shane Andrews is SAWFT?
Oh. Uh-oh. Things supposed to get serious now.
Uh-oh.
He done back referee Turtle into the corner.
It looks like
These two finna go
you
at it.
can tell Jessie Bell has her eye on a handsome stranger. As you can check out Buff Bagwell on your local escort section on Backpage.com. Oh! Nice atomic drop. Oh, both the front and the back. Wow! to the rectum. Wow. Landing square on his back.
Danny Dollar putting on a clinic. Here comes Buff.
Oh.
Buff has got so much experience whenever it comes to tag team wrestling. The guy's teamed with everyone, and he's won with everyone that he's teamed with. Woo! Oh, Nature Boy unloading with the chops. Oh, there he goes.
Wow!
Oh, he hit it. Oh, he's going. Oh, this never pans out. Oh, there it goes.
But Bagwell caught him.
Yeah.
Wow. For minutes of his advisor, the Nature Boy Ric Flair. As the former WCW superstar going to town.
Yeah.
I'm with Paul Lee and Shane Andrews. Whoa. Multiple strikes to the forehead
Whoa!
of Paul Lee. So yes, we can now say we've had the Nature Boy here on Body Slam Media Productions.
Yeah. Whoa! Nature Boy backing down.
Is Nature Boy wanting a truce like Tracy
I
Smothers?
think so. Yeah. He is the dirtiest player in the game. Can he be trusted? Well,
Oh, and a
no,
shot
he cannot.
to the left and right nut. He busted a nut.
Oh, yes, he did.
What a foot DDT to Puff Bagwell. Oh,
I've seen this so many times.
walking in
Boy, oh.
figure two,
Whoa, whoa.
but Bagwell
Whoa.
grabbing the natural locks of Paul Lee. And now the future himself, Danny Dollar, coming into play. As I can see Danny Dollar and Shane Andrews going many places in the future.
Yeah, it looked like, oh, yeah, Nature Boy, he was motioning for Shane Andrews to come in and assist him. But referee Turtle he's right on the money, man.
As we have matches here on Body Slam Media Productions with talents that are now WWE superstars, such as Kevin Owens. You can go back and check out his match with Masato Tanaka. Also, we have Chris Hero. We have Chris Hero on Body Slam Media Productions. As you can check out his match with Drew Gulak and Michael Elgin. It was a triple threat. It was amazing.
Big Mike. Big Mike.
So Puff Bagwell.
Oh, Jesse Bell.
Looks like Jessie Bell hadn't turned against her boyfriend yet.
No. Jessie Bell has been all over this CWA night to remember. She's been very busy.
She was defeated by current TNA superstar Rebel.
They had a great match. Great match from two great knockouts.
And also, she accompanied her father, the Wild Out Southern Boy, Tracy Smothers, with his match against the Red Dog Rodney Mack.
Yeah.
Danny Dollar coming off the ropes, but the Nature Boy catching
Tracy's been
Danny Dollar.
He's been fascinated with the lovely Rebel tonight. Oh, Nature Boy and the Ripley fans are having a bit of a disagreement. Uh-oh. Nature Boy talking trash to Buff.
Oh, and here comes
Shane in with the boots.
Oh. Shane Andrews has really been. Oh. Putting a beat on Danny Dollar, but Danny Dollar getting some momentum.
Oh, goodness.
Shades of Fit Finley.
Yes. Double foot stomp. Could it be? No. Danny kicks out at 2.
But Bagwell arguing with the referee as he has the referee distracted. When Irish with Danny Dollar, oh, hammer throwing Danny Dollar in the corner. Oh, wow. Danny Dollar just barely dodging Paul Lee. And the handsome stranger getting the Ripley residents routed up for Danny Dollar, the OWO heavyweight champion. As you can check out Outlaw Wrestling Organization on the internet. As they're all over the internet on Facebook, on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Kick, Omegle. Just kidding.
Bump is in and he's on fire.
And kids under the age of 16 do not go to omegle.com. Wow, Danny Dollar sending Paul Lee shoulder first in the post, but Bagwell up top.
Whoa, Shane put on the brakes. Whoa,
oh, super kick out of nowhere to Shane Andrews. Wow. What a huge victory for But the Stuff Bagwell and Danny Dollar defeating Shane Andrews and the Nature Boy Paul Lee. Jesse Bell Smothers is disgusted. Will she jump ship to buff the Stuff Bagwell? As he is. But the Stuff is known to be simply delicious. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we will see you next time on Body Slam Media Productions.